Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading.
Hey trader, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you the most profitable and straightforward strategies for trading binary options. So, you will always be in profits, and today I got $35 on the balance and will try to make good profits out of it. Okay, let's pick several indicators. The first one is gonna be the RSI, then the fractal and the Kelvin channel. Okay, we good with the default settings, we keep them as they are, don't change anything. The main indicator is the Kelvin channel, is gonna show us the signal for opening trades. We're gonna wait for the touch of the lower and upper boundary of the channel. The same goes for rebounds from the middle line of the channel. And the RSI is our supporting indicators. We're gonna watch touch of the oversold and overbought zone and try to play out the reversal. And the fractal is gonna help us identify local highs and lows well. So let's get started, guys. We trade for all the money, all the currency pairs haven't picked. And let's find the first currency pair, but first of all, let's analyze the market a little bit. So I think we should try to open a short here, very promising trade entry. I'm going to explain you the principle. First of all, we see the touch of the middle line of the Kelvin channel, after which the downward dynamics is very likely to happen, because we see this huge pullback before. But now we are going to expect the continuation of the downtrend. If you take a look at the previous price movements, we see a clear downtrend here, higher highs and lower lows. That's why we opened the short and the price is very likely to go lower. So we expect the continuation of the downtrend. And yep, so far so good. There are 10 seconds left before the closing of our position. And have a look at this impressive breakdown. There we go. Our short position has been closed in profits. Exactly as I predicted. That's a good start. We see that the rejection from the middle line happened. And let's update the trade amount and put down $62. And let's move on, guys. Well, let's open a short here. Let me explain the principle of the trade entry. Just have a look at this huge resistance zone here. We see the rejection here and here. Just have a look at this huge resistance zone here. We see the rejection here. The price has broken through the Kelvin channel, so the upper dynamics is going to be over by now. We see 5 consecutive green candles, a small correction is imminent, guys, and also the moving average almost hit the overbought zone on the RSI. That's why we expect the price to go down. And we already see this huge breakdown. The red candle showed up. And there we go, guys. Another position has been closed in profits. We got $160 on the balance. Good job, guys. There is no stopping here. Let's continue the trading session. We're gonna find the most promising position entry. Let's open a long here. I'll point out the workspace. First of all, we see the price has broken the lower boundary of the channel. We can see the downward dynamics, this huge red candle, and I think we caught a great trade entry level. Also, pay attention to these wicks. It tells us that the bulls gain moment and the bearish moment is about to be over. I think the price should retest the lower boundary of the channel and then enter the channel again. By the way, here is this huge support zone, so the price is gonna rebound and go to the upside. Let's have a look, guys. The breakout is gonna happen right now, and this, exactly as I predicted, the breakout has simply happened. And we got $165 on the balance, so that was close, guys, but our analysis can be wrong. Let's continue making money and find next currency pair for the most profitable position entry. Let's open a short here. I'll point out the workspace. First of all, I want to point out the support zone here. The touch of the upper boundary of the channel did happen. Then we expect to see the rejection and at least a small correction. There was a more upward dynamics previously, so now is the time for the correction. Actually, we see some kind of sideways trend in this zone. We see the pattern when the local highs are getting lower and the updating of the local high has happened here, and the price should go down. The moving average is near the overbought zone, so the reversal is about to happen. And there we go. Our position is in a profit. We got $207 on the balance, so far so good. And let's continue the trading session. We are gonna update the trade amount. I forgot to do that in the previous trade, so it's okay. Let's continue analyzing. Well, what did we got here? Not the best position entry level, but I think it's gonna be fine anyway. I'll point out the workspace. First of all, we see that the moving average on the RSI is about to hit the oversold zone, the level 30, after which the reversal is gonna happen and some upward dynamics looks very probable. Meanwhile, we see this huge dump on the chart. The price has broken through the channel, and also we see the touch of the support zone, so the rebound is very likely to happen and the upward dynamics should follow up. Let's have a look, guys. And yep, the breakout has already happened. We see this huge green candle, exactly as we predicted. The price entered the channel again, and there are where I go. This one, of course, in profits. We got $368 on the balance. And let's find the next currency pair for the most promising trade entry. Well, the downward dynamics. This is really promising. Let's open a long position, guys. We are gonna expect the inception of the green candle. First of all, we point out the reversal on the RSI. The moving average is gonna move up to the overbought zone. Previously, we saw a massive correction. The touch of the lower boundary of the channel did happen, after which the rebound is definitely gonna happen, because there were 3 consecutive red candles, so a small pullback will happen. If you look back, there was a good uptrend, so it's gonna continue, because I don't see any signal for a change, so the price is gonna go up. And yep, this is exactly what's happening. Our position has been in profit. Good job, guys. Let's update the trade amount and let's find another currency pair and continue analyzing. Well, let's wait a little. The volatility is too high on this pair. Let's move on. Very impressive. Okay, let's see and watch. Okay, let's open a short position here. The principle is exactly the same. Everything is simple. We observe a huge pump here. By the way, the trend is upward, but it seems like a small correction is about to happen. And of course, the uptrend should be continued then. But after this huge pump, we are going to expect a small correction, after which the continuation of the uptrend is going to happen. The price is heading towards the overbought zone on the RSI, and the reversal is about to happen, and I think we caught the right timing. So the local high was updated here and the price will go lower. And yes, the breakdown has already happened. Actually, the volatility is too high here, but it's fine. And there we go. We got more than $1,000 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount. Already have some result. So let's continue the trading session. Whoa. Well, something weird is happening here. What do we got here? Let's open a long position, guys. We see the touch of the middle line of the Kelvin channel. The reversal should follow up and the price will move upwards. The local trend is more upward here. That's why we open the long position with trend. We expect to see some upward dynamics. If you look at the RSI, the moving average is at the level 50 and is about to reverse and move towards the overbought zone. That's why we open the long, guys. The breakout is gain movement, however, with some volatility to the downside, but it's fine. The breakout will definitely happen. Let's wait for the outcome. We're in profit. There are $1,750 on the balance. Quite good outcome, but it's not an out. Let's continue the trading session. We are interested in the highest payout rate. We see the accumulation zone and let's open a short position, guys. Great trade entry level. Have a look at the RSI. The moving average is in the overbought zone and the reversal is about to happen. We also see the accumulation zone here, after which the price should move downwards and the price will enter the channel again. We see a more upward dynamics here. The local high has been updated, so before the continuation of the uptrend, a small correction will definitely happen. And that's why we open the short position, guys. Let's see, the breakdown hasn't happened yet, but the red candle is gonna show up right now. We see the breakdown. Few seconds left before the closing. And yep, our position has been closed in profits. We got $2,400 on the balance. And let's call it night, guys. Hope you enjoyed my trading session. See you next time. Bye bye.